Hi guys, and welcome to our first episode with Robert, Jacob and Papa. Today we are going to teach you some words in Italian and how to make bread.
Some word in English.
Yeah, we are going to learn Italian, but we are going to speak English. The ingredients are 400 grams of flour. How do you say flour in Italian?
Farina.
We have our yeast. What do we use yeast for?
To make it all grow and bake it get tall.
Great, Robert. Thanks to the yeast, the bread rises. What do we need to make bread? What do you have in front of you guys? We have a bowl, a fork, we need a fork. What is
A
this?
pot, and water.
You want to get started with our bread and you show people how to do it? Okay, put some yeast until it says 4. Go.
2, 3, 4.
Now you do the same, Robert. Let's put the flour in the white bowl. Now instead of 4, the scale has to say 400.
400.
Okay. Make sure you don't make a mess here. Yeah, maybe it's better with the spoon. How do you say spoon in Italian?
In Americano, io uso spugna.
Spugna is sponge.
You saw my...
Okay, 400, that's perfect.
And makes the bread bigger.
And now you, Jacob. Mix it, Robert, mix it. Jacob wants to use the...
Cucchiaio.
What are you using? What's the fork?
Forchetta.
Bravissimo. What is spoon in Italian?
Cucchiaio.
Yay! Good job, guys. Whoa, that's way too much. That's 522, Jacob.
It's going backwards.
He has to go backwards because you put too much. Here is 400. Put the flour in your yeast. Then mix it. Add just 1 teaspoon of sugar. Just 1. This is not sugar bread. This is regular bread. Not too much sugar. And finally, 1 spoon of salt. How do you say in Italian? Sale, lo sapevi. Salt. Oops, too much. I'll take some out with my hand. The last ingredient to add is water. Put water and mix it. Not all at once. To add it slowly though. And how do you say water in Italian?
L'acqua.
Acqua.
Bubbles is l'acqua con la bolle.
Yes, bravissimo. Water with bubble is acqua con le bolle. Let's put more water in, Jacob. And you, Robert, you're almost done. Let's see. Let's show everybody the consistency of your dough. Once all the water is mixed in the flour, the dough is ready. Jacob.
Good.
It smells very good, right?
Aiutami.
When it doubles in size, then we are gonna cook it and make our bread. But now we are gonna let it rest. Let's cover it, Gigi. While we are waiting for the dough to rise, it will take about 3 hours. Let's say some words in Italian. Now we were going through all our ingredients again. So how do you say flour in Italian?
Farina.
Farina, yes. What about water?
Acqua.
Acqua, yes. What about spoon?
Cucchiaio.
Yes. What about salt? Sale. And what about fork? Forchetta, bravissimi. And now you guys need the help of an adult because you need to preheat the oven at 450 degrees. So now we are going to put our dough in the pans one at a time. Again, put the dough in the pan. Now, not with your hands. Right, we cover it up and we cook it for 20 minutes with the lid on. We have to bake the bread for 20 minutes with the lid on at 450 degrees. Reduce the temperature to 400 degrees and remove the lid.
Take it out.
Let's check on the bread. Can you smell it? Which is finally ready. Do you wanna eat it?
Sì.
Are we gonna eat it with Nutella?
Si.
See!
Si.
After me, careful, it's very hot.
Where's my bread? Don't touch
It's
it.
tuo pane.
It's hot. Don't touch it.
Whoa, it came out right away. Look at this bread. Oh, how amazing, Jacob. Whoa, it didn't stick. I told you guys, if you get the pan very hot, it's not gonna stick. Touch it.
You follow.
Wow, and what are we missing, guys?
Nutella.
We are gonna eat with Nutella.
Not
Okay, guys, calm down. The Nutella is coming.
Bubbles on the outside.
How do you say bread in Italian again?
Pane.
So let's put some Nutella on and let's eat this bread.
Yeah.
Ah,